Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been forever. If you're new around here, my name is Immy. I absolutely love skincare and basically everything related to beauty, but for the last 2 years I've been traveling full-time and I didn't get a lot of time to film beauty videos like I would love to, but I am going to make an effort. I'm going to be posting more regularly, so make sure you are subscribed to my channel and do watch my video till the very end. So today we're going to be doing something really fun. It's like my favorite sort of video. It is a masking video. So in this video I'm going to be sharing 3 glass skin masks. So whether you have dry skin, oily skin or normal skin, you can absolutely use this video. Most of my remedies are fully natural and you can use them safely on your skin. I would never recommend something that I don't personally use. And today I am going to be using a really cool product as well. So I was in Dubai last week and I found this at a store called Mimosa, and what it is are like these sheet masks in a tablet. So I wanted to try these on camera with you guys. I haven't used this yet. So what it looks like is you get a box and there's 35 sheet masks in there, but the cool thing is that it is like a compressed format. So you can dunk any liquid here and it will become a sheet mask. So they give you a tiny little cup and it was about $3 to $4, I would say, and you get a lot in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try all of these glass skin masks with these tablets and let's see how it works out for us. I think it's going to be really cool. Make sure you like my video and do let me know in the comments if you guys want to see other skincare or anything that you guys want to see. Let me know in the comments below. Let's move into the remedy. So the first remedy I am sharing is for normal skin tones as well as mature skin, because this is like really good for anti-aging. We're just using pomegranate and we're going to be juicing it. I'll juice it with my hands because I find that the easiest, but of course you can use a juicer. You just need less than 1/4 cup. So this actually reduces skin wrinkles and prevents sun damage. Pomegranate also detoxifies skin and also reduces acne as well as promoting collagen. So this is so good for your skin. I'm gonna drop in the tablet and look at the magic. Like, I was absolutely shocked by how beautiful this looks. I'm not gonna open it. Let's wait till the end. So the second one is for oily skin. Oily skin loves tomatoes. Tomatoes are packed with vitamin C, vitamin E. They're also very soothing for the skin and prevent acne. These also tighten the skin, which is great. And we're gonna add in some rose water and drop in that tablet. Of course, I'm gonna wait till the end to open this up. Our last remedy is for dry skin. Dry skin needs moisture, and what better way than honey? Honey is like one of the best things you can do for your skin. It is natural antibacterial, antifungal, and I'm gonna add in a tiny bit of milk and probably the equal amount of rose water. I would say this is about 2 tablespoons of each. Now we have to add in water with this remedy. I tried this just before with just honey and milk and it didn't expand. So I'm gonna drop in the tablet and the magic. Oh man, it is just so satisfying to watch this compressed sheet mask like kind of absorb the moisture. And now I'm gonna open it up. So it is like literally magic, and I just love how thin the mask is. You can just apply it to your skin. And can I add that each of these masks smelled ridiculously good, like especially this one, which is the honey one. It smelled so good, guys. This is the tomato one and it smelled like roses. I couldn't even smell the tomato, to be honest. And I'm just gonna apply that to my skin. Of course, make sure that your skin is cleansed, it's fresh, there's nothing on it, and then you can apply your sheet mask. So apply your sheet mask for 15 to 20 minutes and then remove it. Do not throw it away. Rub the excess on your neck, your décolletage. If you want to use it on your arms, you can definitely do that. And this is the pomegranate mask. How amazing does that look? And I love the smell of pomegranate as well. It smells so good. I'm just gonna apply this to my skin, and another good thing that you can do is actually massage your skin while the sheet mask is on, to kind of help your skin absorb the nutrients. So that is what I'm doing over here. Everything is upwards, of course, and that will help with the wrinkles. This will also help your skin kind of like suck up all that juice. And to be honest, I really liked this product. It was my first time seeing something like so cool, like a compressed sheet mask. Okay, so I'm actually finishing off with a toner. This is my fermented rice and rosewater toner, and I use this morning and night. It is so good for your skin. I can share a full recipe. It is really, really easy to make, and this really adds hydration to your skin, and it is also anti-aging. This is like a natural remedy from Asia that you should definitely use because it is so cheap and it's so easy to make. It's just so soothing on my skin as well personally. So I'm gonna apply the rosewater toner. I'm gonna let that absorb, and now I'm finishing off with this Etude House Moistful Collagen Moisturizer. So I'm gonna apply that to my skin, and that is it. We are done. And that is my glowy skin remedy, glass skin remedy for every single skin type. Do let me know in the comments what you guys want to see next. And thank you guys so much for the love, and thank you guys so much for watching till the end. Bye.